Here is how to create and host a Google Meet on your computer. First, you want to open Chrome and make sure you're logged in to your Gmail or Google account. And then you want to click on Google Apps and then click on Meet. Now you'll simply need to click on New Meeting, and then you can create a meeting for later, or you can start an instant meeting. You can also schedule a meeting in Google Calendar. But for scheduling, I'd recommend the last option since it gives you more tools and stuff to schedule the meeting. So we're going to click on schedule. And then you can pick a date and how long the meeting is. And then you can click on add guests here to add people by email to this meeting. And then you can fill out the rest of the information, the location, the notification, and description. And then you can simply press save. And now you should see it in your calendar. Now you can simply click on it and then click on invite via link. And it should generate a link. Now you can click on copy link. And now you can simply share this link with the people that want to join the meeting. And another thing you can do is go back to the Google Meet page. And then you want to click on new meeting and then start an instant meeting if you want to start it right now. And that should start an instant meeting. So you want to use your microphone and camera. You can specify if you want to use both of them or only the microphone. And then click on allow. And that should start the meeting immediately. Now to invite people to it, you can simply click on add others in here, or you can click on the bottom here. You should see a people icon, which is this one on the right side. Click on it and then click on add people. And now you can simply search by name or email and check them one by one, the people that you want to invite. And then you can click on send email, and that should notify them about this meeting to join it. And now if you want to get a link for this meeting instead of inviting manually, so you can paste the link somewhere and people join from it, you can click on the info icon, which is the meeting details. And then you can see the joining info here, and there is a link. Now you can click on copy joining info and then paste the link wherever you want, and then people can use it to join this meeting. That's about it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.